The United Nations Security Council, the pinnacle of international diplomacy and global governance. But it is representative of the modern world. One country in particular is seeking a permanent seat at the table: India. India has been an active participant in UN peacekeeping missions, demonstrating its commitment to international peace and security. With over 7,000 troops deployed in 14 missions, India is one of the largest contributors to UN peacekeeping. With a thriving economy and a growing global influence, India is making a strong case for a permanent seat on the UNSC. Its GDP has grown from $300 billion in 2000 to over $3 trillion today, making it one of the world's fastest growing major economies. India's credentials are impressive. It has a strong democratic tradition, a growing economy, and a commitment to international cooperation. Its inclusion on the UNSC would strengthen the UN and promote peace and security. India is not alone in its quest. The G4 nations are working together to reform the UNSC and make it more representative of the modern world. They believe that the current structure established in 1945 no longer reflects the global landscape. But the path to a permanent seat is not easy. India needs to navigate the complex world of international diplomacy and build consensus among the P5 members and the UN General Assembly. It requires two-thirds majority support in the General Assembly and the approval of the P5 members. We are engaging with member states, building relationships and making our case. We believe that India's inclusion on the UNSC would strengthen the UN and promote global peace and security. We are confident that our credentials and commitments to international cooperation make us a strong candidate. Will India succeed in its quest for a permanent seat on the UNSC? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: India's rise to global prominence is undeniable, and its contributions to international peace and security are invaluable. The world is watching and the UN is waiting.